guys, today we're going to do a guest bathroom renovation. I'm going to take you through the steps of the water damage, then restoration, and then remodel. So here are a couple pictures of the sink and how the bathroom did look before the renovation. When you have water damage, everything has to be ripped out and the wood has to be dried out as best as possible. And as you can see, they cut out a ton of drywall, and then this is all of the equipment they use to dry out any of the water, and it runs for like 2, 3, up to 5 days, 7 days. Ours wasn't that severe, but as you can see, it went over to the other side, which is the master bathroom. So here we are getting ready for remodel, and during the removal of the toilet, they actually damaged the tub, so that tub had to get pulled out, and it was a cast iron tub. It was so heavy. So the contractors are putting in cement board here. This is special board for the shower, and he just laid down everything to prepare for tiling. The mirror here got cut out, the medicine cabinet got removed, and here's our contractor starting to lay the mosaic tile in the shower. So instead of a bath, we have a bath in the master bathroom, so we decided to just convert it into a shower. Out here picking a nice counter for the bathroom, and these are really nice porcelain tiles. Totally waterproof porcelain tiles for the shower wall, and they're really big pieces, but I love the pattern that it created, kind of this marble effect without using marble. So then the paint gets put down. We picked a gray called Dolphin Gray from Bear, and here is the niche. Just wanted it high enough to put those tall size shampoos and conditioners and body washes in there, and then he's just supporting the frame of the window. This is the medicine cabinet. We're replacing it. The other one was super duper old. And here is kind of close to the finished product. Got a new toilet. These are frameless shower doors, and we love the soft close drawers on this countertop. The sink was built in, so I just had to buy hardware for the sink. I loved this Kohler shower head and set that we picked out. Very simple. I believe this one is Moen, the sink hardware, and it kind of flows like a waterfall. So here is our bathroom today. Just put up a few little decorations, and we just love it. It's a very comfortable guest bath, and you know, sometimes bad things turn into good things. So the leak ended up allowing us to remodel on a budget, and we just really love it.